Welcome. Today, let us discuss about enabling and disabling JavaScript in a website. See, practically, when you read any newspaper, you could come across a lot of advertisements along the sides, disturbing you, distracting you. There is a technique that we can follow in order to avoid those advertisements and make you enable good reading without advertisements. Today's topic, let us discuss about have taken a sample Times of India news website, and I'll be showing you the advertisements that appear along the sites and how to remove those advertisements by disabling the JavaScript. Let us go into it. Dear friends, let us see how to remove these ads while reading news. Right? Probably when you open any news channel, any websites, for example, Times of India or any New Indian Express or any Hindu, whatever it is, at the sites you will find lot of advertisements which are available, right? And this will distract you while reading. So in order to avoid these advertisements which crop up along the sides and distract you, see, these are the advertisements, so many advertisements, right? See here, so many advertisements are there. So how to remove these advertisements and have a great good reading, right, without any distraction? Let us see this now, right? So the main purpose of this is we have enabled the JavaScript for this particular channel. Now I am disabling the JavaScript for this particular news channel or news website, right? So how to do is, have to go to settings, uh, go to site settings, go to JavaScript. Now you need to add a particular site for it, right? So in order to add a particular site for it, go back to the site that you want to remove JavaScript. Just click this, copy, then come back to settings and just Control V, paste, then click add, right? Now this channel once added to the, oh, this is allow, we need to block it, right? Oh, sorry, remove it. So we need to block it, right? So now we'll add a site, add, right? This is for allowing the site, JavaScript site. This is for blocking. So when this site is open, the JavaScript will be blocked or disabled, right? So once this is done, advertisement will be removed from the particular site. Similarly, you can do it for any other sites that you want to read without any advertisement, right? Let us see. Let us come back to this. Let us close this. Now let us refresh it. Now there is a lot of advertisements at the sides, left and right. Now let us refresh. See, advertisements at the sides are gone. Now without any distraction, you can able to read the news, right? It looks neat and clean. Okay, now no advertisement will come, right? So it looks neat and clean. So in this way you can able to remove advertisement from a particular website that you open, right, by disabling the JavaScript. Thank you, friends. I hope you have understood this. We continue to provide different tips and tricks of daily use technology. Thank you.